What do you get when you mix a V8 hybrid powertrain over 700 horsepower and one of the most iconic silhouettes in luxury performance? Meet the 2026 Audi RS7 Sportback, Audi's electrified answer to the high-performance luxury war. The biggest news? The RS7 is going hybrid. And not just any hybrid. We're talking a full plug-in setup combining a twin-turbo 4.0L V8 with an electric motor. This beast is expected to crank out around 700 horsepower, even eclipsing the previous RS7 Performance's 621 horses. Some rumors point to a possible V6 hybrid combo, pushing up to 800 horsepower in a future RS7 Performance variant. But we'll save that for another video. With all that power, the 0-60 time could drop into the low 3-second range, putting it neck and neck with rivals like the BMW M5 and Mercedes-AMG E63S. But here's the kicker. It's not just fast, it's smart. The electric motor delivers instant torque, better fuel efficiency, and a smoother drive at low speeds. All of this power is sent through Audi's legendary Quattro AWD system, ensuring grip in any condition. Add in dynamic all-wheel steering and a sport rear differential, and this Sportback isn't just straight-line quick, it corners like a dream. Now, let's talk looks, because if there's one thing the RS7 has always nailed, it's style. Spy photos show the 2026 model will be bolder than ever. Expect a wider front grille, larger air intakes, and sharper lines throughout, all working together to scream performance without saying a word. The Sportback roofline remains, giving that coupe-like silhouette with added headroom and practicality. And don't worry, those iconic quad exhausts are staying, backed by a tune system that sounds as good as it performs. And yes, the RS7 Avant is also coming. Audi's way of saying, why choose between a sedan and wagon when you can have both? Step inside, and you're met with Audi's signature blend of luxury and tech. High-quality materials, intuitive ergonomics, and their latest MMI touch response system dominate the dash. Expect features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and even traffic jam pilot. Audi's semi-autonomous driving mode for those long highway hauls or city commutes. This is a car that doesn't just want to thrill you on the track. It wants to spoil you on the daily commute. Underneath all that beauty lies a precision machine. Built on Audi's new Premium Platform Combustion, PPC, the RS7 combines lightweight engineering with rigidity for unmatched handling. It'll likely come equipped with Audi Dynamic Ride Control, hydraulically linked shocks that keep body roll in check, paired with RS-tuned adaptive air suspension, offering comfort on the highway, aggression on the twisties, and with that optional sport rear differential, this thing will carve corners like a rally car with a PhD in physics. So, where does the RS7 land in the ultra-competitive performance luxury game? Right in the thick of it. It'll go head-to-head with the BMW M5 CS, Mercedes-AMG E63S, and Porsche Panamera Turbo S, all of which are either hybridized or rumored to be soon. As for price, expect the 2026 RS7 Sportback to start somewhere around $130,000, maybe more depending on configurations and whether that wild 800 GP version becomes real. So yeah, the 2026 Audi RS7 Sportback isn't just keeping up with the times, it's charging ahead, quite literally. Hybrid power, jaw-dropping performance, and that unmistakable Audi elegance. Is it enough to dethrone the kings of speed luxury? Stay tuned.